Right, so lana this is the special case. If sine theta angle is equal to 3/4 is equal to a number, shooting a restriction. So what's draw? So we must draw where sine is negative. Sine is negative 3 and 4. So these two are out. So this is a good restriction. We should draw where cos is negative. Between 3 and 4, cos negative will be la. So let's draw where la. So just layer is over out. So sine theta sifaka theta. Angle theta. So sine theta will equal to 3/4. So kuzoba 3/4. Then Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem lapha kuzoba √7 because it's over 16 minus 9 under root. So diagram yethu siphelele right sesophendula imibuzo. Right. Sibhale kahle √7 abonakale. Let me use my red one. So cos theta. So do we have theta with diagram? Yes, now theta. Cos it's adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent of hypotenuse. So over √7/4. Sine 2 theta. We don't have 2 theta, we have theta. So this is double angle. So we should change the sine. It means it's double angle. So 2 sine theta cos theta. Manje sine theta sinaye, cos theta sinaye. So 2 sine theta uzoba ubani opposite over hypotenuse. So it's going to be 3/4. Cos theta would be adjacent over hypotenuse. So it's over √7/4. Then again, multiply again la. Which lows or consider low. Multiply 3√7 divided by 8. So sinikeza angle encane la. Sisafuna angle o2. So sayenza ukuthi ifane. So tan 2 theta. We don't have 2 theta, so we cannot take the answer at tan. So and we don't know about it double angle tan. We don't do it double angle tan grade 12. So tan so means sine 2 theta over cos 2 theta. Yabo bese sine phezulu uzoba 2 sine theta cos theta over cos some change between these 3. So we can make 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. Then it's no 2 like it's called sine theta. So it's 3/4. So it's 3/4 times it's called cos. It's √7/4. √7/4. Then divided by it's called divide by 1 minus time is over 2. Instead of sine, it's 3/4. So it's over 3/4 all squared. Shall I calculate over correct? Or say without using a calculator, so we're just gonna multiply out. Say one. Right. So sekuphelile. Sibuye size lana. La it's a different story nyana, no? If sine 2 theta is equal to 3/5, so it's equal to a number. So about a restriction number. So I'm going to draw a diagram. We have to draw where sine is positive. Sine is positive here and here. Alright? So because these two, they are out. So a restriction is we should draw between 0 and 90. So this is our 0, this is 90. Let's draw P. La. Right. So 2 theta. So for 2 theta la. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So 0/5 Pythagoras theorem. So 4. So pendulum umbuzo. So equation is cos 2 theta. We have 2 theta. So 30 answer cos it's adjacent of hypotenuse. So it's gonna be 4/5. Done. Lana bekune angle theta. Cos theta sayithatha la. Say yabo. But sine 2 theta, since this is not 2 theta, we have to separate. We have to find double angle sine. khona sizoba nento ekhona ku-diagram. Sibuye size la usin theta akekho u-theta lapha, we have 2 theta. Shuthi kumele senze la ukuthi kube no-2 theta sokwazi ukuthatha lapha. So indlela yokwenza is to use cos 2 theta. Why? Because siyayazi value ka cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is 4/5, right? Phinde futhi cos can be written, yabo, ngendlela ezu-3. So cos can be written as 1 minus 2 sin squared theta, or cos can be written as 2 cos squared theta minus 1, or can be written as cos squared theta minus sin squared theta. So thina sifuna sin theta, so sizochoose between lama lokho lendlela ezu-3. So choose ini identity ezosinikeza usin kuphela, because if it's choose le sizoba right. Must choose no cos, we are not looking for cos. Must choose no cos no sin, sikhandela umsebenzi ukuthi we have to find cos, then we have to find sin. So should so choose a layer 1 minus 2 sin squared theta equals to 4/5. Yabo, we know i-value ka-2 theta, ka-cos 2 theta sayithatha la, so sisebenzisile i-diagram. After using i-diagram manje sifuna ukuyobona ukuthi usin ubani. So sokwenza njani-ke la? So thatha lo 1 ngale, so sizoba nobani, no minus 2 sin squared theta equals to 4/5 minus 1, because 1 uzoya ngalo ube positive. Then so divide ngo minus 2, so divide ngo minus 2. Minus 2 akansela kusala sin 2 theta equals to lento lena ke. So lana le izoba it's 1/10. Sifake roots, then sibuye la, therefore sin theta will equals to 1/10. So this is our final answer. So ngisho ngaba kubuze ngo cos theta, buzokwenza njani? Thatha cos 2 theta umbhale la, cos 2 theta, right, equals to uyamtheka la 4/5, bese double angle ka cos usuzochoose le eno cos. Yabo, kuzoba 2 cos squared theta minus 1 equals to 4/5. Then you solve for cos theta. Thatha minus 1, jump ngale, divide ngo 2, fake square root, uthole answer, ube correct.